We got a lot of rain this year, and we've had warmer than normal temperatures. So we just got a ton of lemons this year, and I love going outside, working on the trees, pruning, fertilizing, mulching. But it's the processing that tends to be the chore for me. And so set aside basically 2 full days the previous weekend to what you're seeing here. Harvested about 2 5-gallon buckets. Did a lot of lemon juice, a little over a gallon, plus some dried lemon slices, dehydrated, and then this weekend that you're seeing here, picked the rest of the lemons, did another gallon of lemon juice, 2 pitchers of lemonade, some lacto-fermented lemons that you'll see in a little bit, and we gave away just a ton of lemons to colleagues and neighbors and friends. And it was a lot of fun. Got to involve the whole family in it, and it's just one of those things that you have to kind of gear yourself up for, and spend a lot of time inside doing repetitive things. But this way we'll have these lemon products for the rest of the year to enjoy. And looking forward to hopefully many more harvests to come as our mandarin trees and orange trees come into full production. We do have a lot of oranges that we'll be canning, hopefully, along with some grapefruit in maybe a future video. We'll see. Thanks for watching.